morning, dear students. So today we'll be seeing the two other experiments, that is the ninth and the 10th experiment that is available in your course 19MA 220, which is univariate linear regression, and the 10th experiment multivariate linear regression. Okay, so in univariate linear regression, you're going to apply the formula that you have learned in the starting of this unit, which is the least squares method. You have this particular formula: m equals sigma is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar into y minus y bar divided by sigma is equal to 1 to n xi minus x bar the whole square. And also for b, it is y bar minus mx bar. So our ultimate aim is to find the regression line, right? The You have to find the slope and the y-intercept, all these things, and the regression coefficients to be exact. So the ninth experiment is actually given here in the GitHub. So you're going to apply this formula. You're going to find the mean. First of all, you need to find the mean of this x values. Then you have to find the mean of y values. And then you need to apply it in this formula to find the value of m as well as the y-intercept. And finally, you need to obtain the straight line equation and plot the scatter plot. This is what you have to do in this particular experiment. So the program is being given here. This is the program for univariate linear regression. So in this program, what you're going to do is you will be importing numpy as np. Then afterwards you will be importing the matplotlib.py plot as plt, that is for doing the scatter plot. Afterwards you are putting two matrices for um, entering the matrix values, that is using the np array, that is a numpy array. Then you are showing your scatter plot here. Then that will be displayed, and once you have got the scatter plot, you are going to calculate the mean values of x and y. So this is for x and this is for y. Then you are initializing two counters for numerator as well as denominator, and this is a formula of the numerator, that is xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar. This same formula, this formula you are going to apply there, and the denominator is being given as xi minus x bar the whole square. So this is being given inside a for loop, and afterwards you are going to calculate the m value, which is nothing but the numerator by denominator, this value divided by this value, and the y-intercept is also calculated. And finally you are going to print this slope as well as the y-intercept. Then you are going to write the equation of the straight line, which is y predicted is equal to m into x plus b. And finally you are plotting that value, the original value as well as the new value, the predicted value. So both these things will be, the what do you call, the scatter plot will represent individual data points of these two things, these two values, the x and y, as dotted lines, and the y value, that is newly predicted value, will be indicated as a straight line in blue. So this the plot question and all we have already done in class. So it is just the practical experiment of that particular question. Okay, so that is about univariate linear regressions.